Are you crazy about Twister? Well, then you'll love Twister glitter too. The super soft cake yarn has the most beautiful colorways that unfold in magical color combinations. Twister glitter comes exactly in the same color combination as the regular Twister, but now those fabulous colors are accompanied by a glitter thread. It is a joy to work with Twister glitter because you'll be able to follow the gradual color changes. So there's plenty of yarn to make a shawl or a scarf with. The lovely quality cotton and Twister glitter is combined with acrylic. That gives it a lighter and more form-stable result. The color you start with will be probably the most dominant color, so it's a good idea to consider whether you want to start from the inside or the outside of the skein.